Hello, gentlemen. There was a time recently when I felt there simply weren't enough hours in the day to get everything I wanted to do done. Did you ever feel like that? It got to the point where I felt less and less motivated to do anything in my free time, and I got more and more frustrated that I didn't feel like I had the time, and I didn't know what I wanted to do with my free time when I had it, and I just wasn't moving forward with my life, and that too just drained me. It turns out that not having a balance in the life half of the work-life balance equation that we all talk about, it turns out that can have a really big negative effect on your mental health and wellness. That's exactly what happened to me, and it's how I came to be diagnosed with depression. The phrase, "I don't have time," or "there aren't enough hours in the day," came out of my mouth an awful lot during that time. So did the phrase, "roll on Friday," because I was living for the weekend, even though I had no idea what I wanted to do on the weekend, let alone the motivation or the energy to do something with my free time. I had to go through therapy to get better, and that wasn't cheap. I also engaged a life coach to help me on my journey to recovery. Those two ingredients were absolutely key to my recovery, and they helped me to stand back on my own 2 feet and to stand confident. The process of coaching and therapy taught me a lot about what I was doing wrong in my life in terms of balance. I didn't have any. It also taught me about how to make it right again. And I'm really happy to say that my life feels much more balanced now. I feel more confident. I feel like I've got my roar back. I have more energy. I'm sleeping better. I'm a happier person, and I'm moving towards my dreams. I want those things for you too, and that's why I became a life coach for men. It's also why I created the Better Mental Wellness Workshop. In it, you're going to learn the tools which help me recover from depression, because they can do the same thing for you. Even if you're not suffering with depression and you feel like you want more balance in your life, you want more direction and the motivation and discipline to move in that direction, to change your life, it can do the same for you. This workshop is also for you. Click on the link below to find out more, and you'll see another video there which will explain more about the workshop. On the website, you will also see some feedback from people who came to my previous workshop. I look forward to seeing you there, and I look forward to you getting your place and meeting you on the day. Check it out. Stay well, stay mindful.